Hello, good day everyone and welcome to our channel. Dahil nga pinag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa economics, pagbigyan nyo akong magtalakay ukol sa marketing, lalong-lalo na ang sikat na affiliate and network marketing. Ano nga ba ang difference between affiliate marketing and network marketing? It's magical what marketing can do in the growth of brand or business. Marketing, it is the process of getting consumers interested in a service or product, includes all aspects of business such as sales, product development, advertising, and distribution methods. It informs, engages, sells, expands business, and enhances credibility. While it is an essential component of any businesses, determining the right marketing strategy is vital. A marketing method that may work for one business may not be suitable for another. Also, brands should embrace new marketing methods, while also using traditional methods such as print media. In this video, we will look at the difference between affiliate marketing and network marketing. What is affiliate marketing? This is a sales model that uses affiliates to increase product or service awareness using online platforms and earn a commission from sales or leads made. It involves two main players. First, we have the brands. These are companies that sell services or products. They can be subscription services, retail businesses, financial services, broadband, travel, e-commerce, and gaming. Next is the affiliates. These are the service or product marketers. They can be niche content sites, product review websites, bloggers, shopping sites, coupon, loyalty and mobile apps, and others. Affiliates can earn money without creating their products or services. To derive traffic and generate leads, affiliates can choose to use one or several social media platforms such as websites, Instagram, emails, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. The commission rates vary based on the agreement between the two parties. However, common payment agreements are based on pay-per-click basis, pay-per-lead basis, and pay-per-sale basis. Pay-per-click basis. Using this strategy, the affiliate is paid a percentage of the amount at which a consumer has purchased a product or service. Pay-per-lead basis. This is a payment system based on the conversion of leads generated by the affiliate. Pay-per-sale basis. The affiliate is paid based on the number of consumers who click on the link provided, hence increasing traffic to the merchant site. While affiliate marketing may seem like a walk in the park, it requires product research as well as follower interest and web traffic patterns. Maintaining relationships with followers and people who make purchase using the affiliate link. Consistent engagement with a brand as well as its services and products. Consistent use of social media to get new leads. So, what are the benefits of affiliate marketing? An affiliate only worries about the marketing aspect of a business. It has low risk since there are no joining costs. Affiliates earn passive income through the leads generated. It offers affiliates the flexibility of working from anywhere. Affiliate marketing also has disadvantages, including most affiliate programs have strict conditions on how affiliates should generate leads. While this protects the reputation of a brand, it can be limiting, hence leading to fewer leads. It is susceptible to fraud. Affiliates have zero control over a brand's fulfillment of a service or product. It is highly competitive since most affiliates promote similar products. Next is, what is network marketing? This is a business model based on a person-to-person sales by a network of distributors. It entails systematic strategies including recruiting, lead generation, and management. Instead of distributing the products to stores, this marketing methods relies on a network of distributors. This marketing strategy has been in existence since the 1930s. We have the types of network marketings. It includes single-tier network marketing. This model uses affiliate marketing programs to sell products and services. Two-tier network marketing. This model entails direct sales and sales referred by distributors or affiliates. Multi-level marketing. This is a distribution-based marketing network that uses two or more tiers. Companies start by recruiting people who are interested in their products. Instead of a commission-based model, the distributors are sold the products at a discounted price whereby they can sell it at a full market price. Distributors are also encouraged to recruit other new distributors, commonly referred to as downlines, where they are offered a percentage for each sale made. The recruits can also recruit their new distributors, hence forming a network of distributors. Advantages of network marketing include: it is cost-effective as no formal marketing infrastructure is required. It makes it easy to enter new markets. It is easy to sell new products. However, the marketing strategy has disadvantages, including: for it to be effective, other marketing methods need to be incorporated. This may increase the marketing costs. It makes it difficult to forecast sales. To sum up, affiliate marketing refers to a sales model that uses affiliates to increase product or service awareness using online platforms and earn a commission from sales or leads made. On the other hand, network marketing refers to a business model based on person-to-person sales by a network distributors. It entails systematic strategies including recruiting, lead generation, and management. Although both marketing methods do not require complex marketing infrastructure, affiliate marketing compensates affiliates using cash payments, while network marketers benefit by enjoying the sale of products at heavily discounted prices.